The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Namaskar everyone, I am Rehanshi Kunwar from grade 7A2. Today I am going to present about the importance of discipline. Discipline is the key to a successful life because it provides a stable life structure, builds good habits and helps us reach our goals. It means following rules. Be managing time well, and being self-control over our actions. The daily life structure means the daily life structure directly fuels to the personal growth and eliminating distractions. When we are disciplined, we finish our work on time and we stay focused on the class. Discipline not only teaches about education, it also teaches us about to eat healthy food, exercise daily and sleep properly. In the end, I would like to tell that discipline does not tie us. It actually it gives the power to manage time and be punctual to the time. Thank you.